Bianca here, and I am going to be filming a video for you today, which I haven't done in ages, but I'm sure you can probably guess by what my videos usually are when I say I'm going to be filming a video. It's an Owlcrate unboxing! So this is the October Owlcrate, and the theme is New Dawn? New Day? I'm not sure. Anyway, it's like a sci-fi type thing. So I'm going to be unboxing this with you so I can show you guys what I got this month in my box. I'm so excited because I love Owlcrate boxes. I love receiving them, and I haven't filmed a video in ages, so this will be really fun. Okay, so the first thing in the box is the regular spoiler card, but how pretty is this? So yeah, it's called New World, not New Dawn. I was thinking that somewhere. It's like, New Dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Anyway, so New World, Dawn of a New World. That's where I'm getting all those words from. Dawn of a New World. Anyways, so that's the art on that one. I think it looks quite nice indeed. And I'm not going to read this because otherwise you guys will know what spoilers there are before you see them. So the first item is this blue box, and inside is a necklace. It looks like that. It's got a moon on it, and it's inspired by the Lunar Chronicles. And I think it's really cool because it's like sparkly and it's got the little silver bits, and I don't know, it's just quite cool. Then the next item is this. So it's a tin, and it's inspired by Illumine, or it's Illumine themed. I don't know how I'm supposed to be saying this. But anyway, it says, until the last star in the galaxy dies, you have me. And on the back it says, live a life worth dying for. And then it looks like that on the inside, and it says, you might only get one shot, so shoot. Like that. I feel like I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep in this, to be honest. Like, I'm not really a box person, but I suppose like there's a sticker in here, so I'm wondering whether I keep stickers in here, because my stickers currently just kind of sit on my shelf. Like, they're not displayed or anything, they're literally just like, so maybe this can be where I keep the stickers I received from Owlcrate, because I've already got a pin banner, so I don't know. I'm not sure. Let me know if any of you guys receive this box. What are you doing with your tin? What are you putting in it? Because I need some suggestions. So, talking about the sticker, this is the sticker. And it says, everything science fiction until someone makes it science fact, Mary Lou Warcross. So that's, I like it. It's kind of cool. Like, it's got the what do you call that, holographic like background? I'm not sure, but I like the colours. And then there's these bookmarks as well, and these are from Saga. So now I don't think I remember their names. This guy I think is called Marco. And this one's Lying Cat, and her name starts with an A, but I can't remember. I'm not sure. Anyway, there you go, that's what they look like. And I don't have any like people magnetic bookmarks. I've got a couple that I have that just say like really basic, like just one more chapter type things. But these are really cool. These are my first like people ones, if you could call them people. They have wings and horns and things. Anyways, then the pins for this month, we got two, as there are two books in this box. And the first one is a love heart with one side has little love hearts and one side has like, I don't know, cracks or something. And then the second one is like a radio with a little headphones. And these are made by the Enchanted Bookshop. So yes. And then the books. So the first book is I Hope You Get This Message by Farah Nazrishi. And I'll read you out the little description, considering I'm going through this quite quickly. So, 7 days, the Earth might end in 7 days. When news stations start reporting that Earth has been Contacted by a planet named Alma, the world is abuzz with rumours that the alien entity is giving civilization only a few days before they hit the kill switch. For junior high school truant Jesse Hewitt, though, nothing has ever felt permanent. Not the guys he hooks up with, not the jobs his underpaid mum works so hard to hold down. Life has dealt him one bad blow after another. So what does it matter if it all ends now? Kate Collins, on the other hand, is desperate to use this time to find the father she's never met. The man she grew up hearing wild stories about, most of which she didn't believe. And then there's Adim Khan. While coding and computer programming have always come easily to him, forgiveness doesn't. He can't seem to forgive his sister for leaving, even though it's his last chance. With only 7 days to face their truths and right their wrongs, Jesse, Kate and Adim's paths collide, even as their worlds are pulled apart. I think that sounds quite interesting. Now, what I know about this book is it's like sci-fi but contemporaries, almost, but look how pretty. This is a pretty book, Naked. And then, as always, the author's signature. But I feel like I would probably like this, like if it's sci-fi without being like boom sci-fi, because I feel like I don't know, I don't mind sci-fi, but it's definitely not my favourite genre. So perhaps with this not being overly sci-fi, I might like it a little bit more. The second book for this month is Kriya's War. Now, I really hope I'm going to be saying this right, because I'm probably going to be saying this word a lot. I feel like I'm really going to like this book. I know that you're not supposed to judge a book by its cover, but how pretty is this book? So, oh, this one's boring, Naked. Oh, this spine's nice, but yeah. And as always, author signature, and I'll read this one out to you as well. Impossible love between two girls, one human, one maid, a love that could birth a revolution. After the War of Kinds ravaged the kingdom of Rabu, the Automate, designed to be playthings of royals, took over the estates of their owners and bent the human race to their will. Now Ayla, a human servant rising in the ranks at the house of the sovereign, dreams of avenging the death of her family. By killing the sovereign's daughter, Lady Kriya, who was made to be beautiful, to be flawless, and to take over the work of her father. Kriya had been preparing to do just that, to inherit her father's rule over the land. But that was before she was betrothed to Skyray Kinnock, who seems to have 1,000 secrets. That was before she discovered her father isn't as benevolent as she thought. That was before she met Ayla. Set in a richly imagined fantasy world, Nina Varela's debut novel is a sweepingly romantic tale of love, loss and revenge that grapples with what it really means to be human. So, I feel like I'm gonna like this one, because this is like all about like robots, and well, not robots, but you know, like Automate, as they put it, taking over the human race. And like, I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna like this as well. Although I'm not a sci-fi person, I'm quite happy with the books that have come this month, so yee. Anyways, I better say goodbye now, and I have a weekly vlog coming this week as well, so you'll be seeing that shortly. I'll upload this video first, and have a happy time.